today's video. Finally, I got my third brake light. I'm replacing, that's gonna be the last light I believe I'm replacing on this truck. It's still halogen. Cheaper option would be you could buy LED bulbs and just replace the halogen bulbs in there and put LEDs in there. It would give you the appearance and it would be much cheaper. This light that I got is from Morimoto. F150 LEDs has one also. I just like the Morimoto appearance one better, so I bought that. It was $200. You can see right here, there's the halogen cargo lights, and I'll hit the brake lights real quick. Okay, so when replacing this, there's 4 screws. You could use it's got, actually, these screws heads are pretty cool. You could use a Torx, you could use a flat head screwdriver or straight screwdriver, or a 7mm socket. So there's actually, this is a multi-head. Okay, 4 screws are out. This should pop off. There we go. Okay, so here's the back. All right, in the Morimoto box, here's the new light. It's pretty cool looking. This is what the light will look like. They give you this nice instructions with a QR code for how to install. Probably nice and simple. You gotta pop this clip out. Then you gotta pull the connector up. Come on. All right. Pop your connector by pushing this tab back here. Okay, there's the factory brake light. So they recommend pulling the headliner down inside to put that clip back up in. I think I could probably do it without. But then you have a couple pieces of a harness. This should clip into this, like so. Yeah, okay. Get that in there, and then we just put this in. This will plug into the light, and this will plug into this, like that. So now I got to put this back in. This will plug into our light. So I just reached up behind the liner there. There's enough room to get your fingers in and fill this and push it up, and it's back in. I want to plug the light in and actually make sure that it works. They give you these 2 tabs. There's 2 on it already. Make sure they're left to right, like a Christmas tree, and not up and down. So they go in like this, left to right on each side. They replaced the 2 middle screws. We actually pop these out and they'll push in here and here, and we only use screws on the outside. All right, one of them is out, and pop this one out, and that's where those clips will go. So this you want to route through the middle on this one. I think it's about to start raining on me. Perfect. All right, so just gonna do a quick ops check, make sure it works as it should. Plug this in. So there's the brake lights on, and there's the cargo light let off. Hit it again. So that's it. It's not too bad of an installation. There's another step if you have the backup camera. You can get out. I like the looks of this. There's also another option you can buy for like $30. It's just a little module that makes it pulse when you hit the brakes so you can be noticed. So like kind of like what they have on motorcycles. I didn't pay for it. I didn't really necessarily think I wanted it, so I think it's cool. I just didn't think that it was necessary for me. Get to work under the carport now because all it does is rain in this freaking state. Wintergreen alcohol, the best stuff ever. You can buy it at Walmart. Coltsway turned me on to this. I love it. Smells amazing. Wipe down all around where this light's going with your alcohol, because there is a sticky back on it, and helps keep water and moisture out of your light and out of this area. So wipe it down with alcohol. I also got this dielectric grease to put on my connection, put on the contacts, peel this off. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on first. Connection. Okay, and there's a little locking tab harness in there, and then line up your clips. You also might want to start your screws before you push it on. Okay. You're only going to use 2 screws when you put it back together. The other 2 screws were replaced with clips. Just get it snug. Remember, you're going into plastic inserts. I think it looks really nice. Clear lens, smoked inside, black, so it looks way better than the previous stock one. There's the cargo light. And there's both brake lights. They look great, much brighter. Let off, press it again. So that's it, pretty simple. Like I said, they're $200, Morimoto, links in the description. I paid for this, I'm not sponsored by them, but it's an excellent light. Definitely makes your truck look better. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.